Pleasant good evening to you all this evening, this great Sunday evening. Um, you know that I always share my dinner with you guys. I'm having some authentic food here, authentic food where I want to share with you guys. And although I know it mouth watering and everything, but it's a joy for having you guys watching me eating it. So let's join the live, please. And full enjoy this food with me, alright? Okay. I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm gonna eat, what I'm about to eat. Not eat, consume. Alright? Okay, here's my vegetable right here. I'm gonna start with my vegetable first. And I have some curry goat here. We in Jamaica that's a mutton, curry mutton, but curry goat, alright? With some white rice. Curry goat nice, the right rice for people. You understand? That's how we are dealing with it. So good evening again. Please join the lives. Thumbs up, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Our Purpose Kitchen is here again. Having a delicious meal, alright? So I'm gonna pray for this food now, so you guys bear with me a little. Most righteous and eternal Father, we give you thanks again for this moment. Thank you for this meal that we are about to having, that we are about to receive. Lord, thank you for everything you have done for us, and thank you for keeping us through the course of the day, that I can be able to sit here and having some nice food eating. We give you thanks and praise, so please digest it and set it. It will be a benefit to my body. Name I pray, amen. Okay, alright my people, here we go. Start with my vegetable first. Okay. Please, my people, please join the live, alright? And please, thumbs up when you join the live, please. And thanks. So you guys know that without the thumbs up, the subscription, you can't reach anywhere, alright? So please, for your support. I love the vegetable with this dressing here. Toast Island dressing bad. Big up the live, my people. Thumbs up, please. I don't know the thing going on, people. I love, I have showcase my dinner with them all the while. Nice, authentic food, You guys can enjoy this food with me, alright? I know most of you guys love curry goat. Yeah. I know that. All my vegetables first. Yeah. Whoa, too much. Freeze up, man. Join the live, people. Join the live. You know the thing, though. Please thumbs up. Please, when you join the live, please thumbs up. Okay? Tell a friend to tell a friend, Shout out to your family. All Purpose Kitchen and Live again. And I'm saying to you guys a pleasant new year to you all. Happy New Year again. Please thumbs up video, please, and thanks. Vegetable nice, people. It's just nice. And the vegetable. I know you guys also watching me, but I want some of this curry goat on this meal I'm eating, you know? No problem, very close by you can get it. Nice Jamaican style curry goat and coconut juice, you know? Thumbs up the live, please. The people, thank you, man. Thank you guys for joining me, you know? My God. Like up the live, please and thanks. Thumbs up, people, thumbs up. Please thumbs up, people. The food. Yeah, man, thank you. Please thumbs up, my people. Please thumbs up the live, please. Touch the notification bell if you're not yet do so. Please subscribe if you're not yet do so. Alright? Please thumbs up, people. Please and thank you. Add a little gravy to it. Thank you guys for joining in me. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for joining the live with me. Thank you. Thank you, people. That's such a nice subscriber. Thank you, my people. Thank you. Thank you so much. Tell you, my people. Very good, nice with the white rice now. Real nice. Please thumbs up the live, please. I forgot to tell the people sit here. Good old sorry drink, same way, and I still have sorry, my people. I'm gonna play with it, you know. I know it's good for my body, you know, so I have it a lot. Okay? Please and thanks. Yeah, curry goat. Some people call it curry mutton, but we have lamb. You know? And the sheep. The lamb different from the goat, you know. Goat cousin. Please thumbs up the like, please. Please thumbs up the like, please and thanks. My people, I'm tell me something. You take the food and tell me. You know that curry goat a nice something to eat, though. You know, feed pan it in about, you know. Really nice rice and peas, you know, people. The curry goat, you know. It's really nice with rice, with curry goat, you know, people. Thank you, man. Real good, looking real good. And I tell you, it's real nice to people. Real nice. Please thumbs up the live. Please and thanks, people. Please thumbs up the live, man. Please. I'm begging the people. Please thumbs up the live. Please. Come on, people, man. I'm 65 upon the live. I'm asking a thumbs up, man. Come on, man. Please and thanks, man. Give me the thumbs up, man. Please. I hear you. Hi, Simone. Okay, Simone. Hi. How are you doing? Thank you for joining, man. Okay. Come on, people, man. On the thumbs up, now, man. I share them authentic food I would do, man. I saw me go with, man. Please, man. Give me some thumbs up, man. Please. Please and thanks, man. We need it, man. We need it. Please. Good, soft and tender and nice, my people. Real nice, me I tell you. Please, my people, please thumbs up the live. Please and thanks. Please. In case me sorry, people. Rich and nice, my people. Rich. I'm say rich, it's real rich. I'm touch up the thumbs up button now, man. I'm not like saying I go out with, man. No, sir, that's how the thing go, man. Please and thanks, man. Need the support, man. Please and thanks. I need the support, please. Please and thanks, my people. Please, man. Please. Touch the thumbs up button, man. know, man. I know the drill already, man. That's how we deal it, man. Mmm. Oh. But I'm eating curry goat white rice. And I had the vegetable already. Nice vegetable, you know? Nice curry goat cooking coconut juice, you know? Hmm? Well, you have a choice, you know? You have a choice, you know? You have either use fork or use spoon. But like when me have the meat, me I use the knife, cut the meat and everything, and me just use the knife and box the rice and the fork. You understand what I'm saying? That's how you do it, man. You have a choice, man. You can't use the warm fish. You can't use all the hand if you want, brother. You can't use all the hand if you want, me I tell you. But you choose to use, you know? You're Jamaican, you know, so that's how we deal with it, you know? Mmm. You can try the spoon too, man. No problem in that. I understand, man. Yeah, man, Joy and Shelly, man. When I read that old gravy, you know? Joy and Shelly, you know? You can use the spoon, man. See there? Okay, baby. Can use spoon too, man. See there? It's a choice. You just choose what you want to use, you know? That's how it going on. Thank you. Thank you for your concern, girl. Thank you. Big up the live, man. Thumbs up the live. Please, man. Touch the thumbs up button, man. Touch the thumbs up button, man. Mmm. I don't know the thing set, man. You know, my son will come and share me today with you guys, man. Some nice food, man. Mmm. You know the thing, bro? Please join the live, people. I'm getting down to the nitty gritty now, you know, man. Right down to nitty gritty, you know. So people, join up the live, please. Mm. Please thumbs up the video. I'm getting some gravy on it, you know. We don't like a lot of gravy, you know, that's why. Too much gravy not good for you, alright? rice, dry and shelly, man. So we deal with it, you know. Nice. Nice, my people. Please thumbs up, please. Touch the thumbs up button, please, and thanks. Okay? Maybe you can have a little more rice, because I feel like I get a little more rice, huh? You get a little more rice in my plate. Right back with you, guys. Okay? I'll be right back with you guys. I mean, I'm gonna give me sorry a sip. Well ferment and nice, my people. Mm-hmm. Oh shit, man. Man, too much food in my system now. My people, I eat everything in them. I get us some more food, but no, I'm not going to eat it off still, but you know. You go, do what I can do still, you know. Mm-hmm. Do what I can do with it. No, I'm not going to eat it off people. Thumbs up the live, please, and thanks. Thumbs up the video, please. Please and thanks, my people. Please, thumbs up the video. Please subscribe if you're not yet do so. Okay? I got a lot more food, my people. This curry goat is nice, man, I tell my people. Curry mutton. I'm saying if you goat no curry no coming like nothing. Touch the thumbs up button, people. Please. Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself, me. Bad manners, thank you. That's a bad principle, thank you. Come on, people. Join the live. Nice authentic curry, man. Better pack curry. My God. Please stomach alive, my people. Please and thanks. Please. Please and thanks. Please and thanks. Please and thanks. Please stomach alive. Please and thanks. Thank you for your support, people. Thank you for your support. Thank you, people. Many, many thanks. And my people, it's peppery, you know, man. I say peppery, you know. It's spicy, you know, my people. Mmm. I've got some color alongside here, people. Mm-mm. Please, my people, please and thanks. Touch the thumbs up button, man. Please touch the thumbs up button, man. Thank you. You know what I want? I want the thumbs up, people. Please, I ask for feet, you know, generously. You know the thing, go. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. You guys see, well, the curry will look tender and soft. Real tender and soft, my people. Real the well. Cook nice. And you just join in live, please. Touch the thumbs up button, please and thanks. And you guys know some others I share my dinner with you guys, man. Showcase what I'm consuming, you know. Please, my people, please do not subscribe. Touch the thumbs up button, my people. Please, no, man. No thing, no, man. Touch up the thumbs up button, man, because you don't know. Nice and easy. Mmm. Beautiful. Please and thank you, my people. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, praise. Thank you so much. And so much thanks, my big Nagoon people. And most respect, man. You see me? I beg you, please. Just thumbs up the video, man. That's all we ask. Just thumbs up the video, man. You know the thing, man. Once you thumbs up the video, everything good, man. More blessings, same way, you know. I make a big up all the YouTubers, them, you know, people. Big up all YouTubers. More blessing, you know. Yeah. No matter what you do in YouTube, you know, creative, don't know, more respect, same way. Many people do different things in YouTube, you know. A lot of people do cooking like myself here. And you know, what for respect. Mm. Please again, people, thumbs up, man. Give me the support, man. Thumbs up the video, man. You know, next week again, you know, I'm gonna have an authentic food again. To show the people how I eat. Mm-mm. Thumbs up the video, people. Thumbs up the video. I tell them I don't want to see me eat again, people. I don't want to see me eat again. Just tell them say I can start it out properly. Okay? I want like a people on the live, man, and now give me the thumbs up, man. Please for the thumbs up, man. Thumbs up the video, man. You don't know the things yet, man. Give thanks, you know. Come on, just want to say something, you know? Please, the people. See me hand look like that, the curry touch the hand, man, the curry. You don't know curry is a thing where it's staying away, you know? So I don't say things that. You understand, people? Thank you, people. Thank you again for joining this live with me. I like you guys so much. You guys take the time out every week to join me. What I'm eating and everything. Give thanks, man. Give thanks. Many thanks. You know? You guys don't have to do it, but you do it, so I have to give you thanks for everything, you know? But please, people, I'm begging you. While you come on the live, just like up the live, man. Touch the thumbs up button, man. You don't know anything, man. That's all the things set up, man. You see it? Just boom and touch the thumbs up button and give me the like, say, you see me? A blessed, man. I give thanks to everything, you see me? You know what I'm saying? Small muscles, you know? Anything may get me satisfied with it, man. So please, just thumbs up the live, man. You see me? Simple thing. I don't know it go. So, see it again. Nice sorrel drink. Just have to top it off, you know? Authentic sorrel drink, you know? Nice, rich and creamy. A little tip of rum in it. Whoa, my God. People don't want to taste it. Real nice, my people. Real nice. So bless upon yourself again, my people. And give thanks to you all who joined the live and who not joined, and still I give thanks. So I'm more blessing. Love you know. I really love you know, people. Nah lie you know. Because I really love people overall. You know? I'm a people person, you know? I mean that. So when you see me come here, so come sit down and talk to you guys and join up the live. You don't know. Just like interact with people, you know? I'm more blessing, you know? You see it? One want to see me eat next week, people. I'm not say it now. This is what I go and feed. I can showcase and can share something with me. I don't know. Anything you want to share with me, you can share with me. Respond back to it. You understand? Whole heap of food that I have to cook and thing, you know. I know we're willing to learn. Every day you go by, you learn something. So you guys can say something to me, man. Try and do it. You know what I mean? That's the thing set, man. I know what I think, though. One help one, you know. Mm. Jano, me have big up some people too, you know. I have big up some people, cause I tell you say there are some great people out there, you know. Yeah man. I have big up some people, my people. I have to big up some people. First and foremost, I have to big up Colors TV, Colors Semi TV. You know? That you they're my icon. I don't know if you know that still. They're my icon. I inspired me a lot. Yeah man. I have a big him up. Let me say big him up. I have a big him up. Yeah. And big up Jamaica walk by. Mm-hmm. What do you? Big up Papi. Big up the whole of Colors team them, teammate, you know? And more blessing pan. You see me? Big up Oliver. Yeah. Oliver really out too. Daddy Gaga. J Progress. I don't know me, but I'm watching all the while, my brother. Ever support on the thing, you see me? All YouTuber me supporting. Once I go up on the YouTube and say something, ever support it, you see me? Because I don't know the thing go. You see it, so more blessing man. Yeah man, more blessing my people. One help one in them man, I like everybody have something, you see it? And that's my motivation for the year, you know. Help each other, you know. You see it? So if we can learn the principle of help each other, can't go wrong with people. You don't know what things say. Once you help one and one, help one and one next one, help one. So you're gonna learn one help, one start, one help. The one way you help the next person help the next person, will be okay. You know? More love. I just love this. Love, unity, you know? So Jano. If you don't know me in person, that's the type of person me is still, you know? Pure love build me up, man. Full of love, you know? More unity. We need that in the world right now. More unity. Unity is strength, you know? So we need a unity there. So people focus on that for the area. You see me? More blessing again. And give thanks who joined the live already and who not join, but still I give thanks to everybody and love on here people. Now stop love on. So next week you just join me. Them time again 6:30, 7 o'clock. Don't know anything every week I come and showcase my food and I don't know some authentic food we're gonna eat and thing, you know? Yeah, so I think look. Bless up on yourself again, people. Give thanks, yeah? See you next week, alright? Bye.